Please come forward.
uKenneth Kaunda wabe engumngane omkhulu wowabe engumengameli wakuleli ongasekho uNelson Mandela. Isona sizathu ke esiholele ekutheni lelizwe lizile insuku eziyishumi.
In remembrance of this great leader who made such a contribution to our freedom, we've decided to declare a period of mourning for 10 days in his memory, and that for the 10-day period, our national flag will fly at half-mast.
Owabe engumengameli wakuleli uThabo Mbeki nowachitha isikhathi esiningi ekudingisweni eZambia uthe uKaunda wabamba iqhaza elikhulu ekubumbeni isizwe.
President Kaunda, we count him as one of the architects of a democratic South Africa.
Nowabe engumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma wedlulise amazwi enduduzo.
An outstanding leader, very humble, a Christian, but who fought against oppression and colonization.
IFP ngokuhlonishwa inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi naye weduse kakhulu igalelo likaKaunda emzabalazweni wakuleli. uButhelezi uthe uKaunda kwaba nguyena owamkhuthaza ekutheni asungule iqembu iIFP.
During that visit to him in 1974, he advised me to found a membership-based organization in order to reignite political mobilization in South Africa soil.
Iqhaze uKaunda njengomuntu obeyisibonelo esihle kubaholi nakuwo wonke nje umuntu.
Prominent role and also looks after our top leaders, including President Oliver Tambo, to make sure that his issues were attended to urgently all the time.
He
played a very important role in terms of educating his nation because he understood that in the world that he was leading, he needed as many people as possible who have got certified education to understand the dynamics of the world.
Sekudumala ngokwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni yamchaza njengeqhawe lomzabalazo.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zakulelizwe izwakalise ubuhlungu ngokushona kukaDokotela uKaunda.
Father, we just lost a lot. Our father, everything, you know, I remember the time when I was at school, he fight a lot for us, and since 1964, we are independent, so we really appreciate everything that he did for us. May he rest in peace because he has done a lot. He has left Zambia in peace.
He was a great man in Africa. He fought a lot for this continent. I think if I can say, like South Africa, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, this man he do a lot for those grand countries.
Well, Kenneth Kaunda is one of the greatest leaders which Africa had before. Zambia was the country which was liberated in 1964, and then all African countries which were under oppression, they all went to Zambia, Lusaka to seek for refuge. So we can all today celebrate the life of Kenneth Kaunda as one of the greatest leaders. We will forever cherish what he did for Africa.
As a lay person, I feel very sad because Kenneth Kaunda was a highly respected leader in Africa, and he was always driving the Africa agenda. He was fighting for the people of Africa. So we are sad